Ever had your phone or keys disappear into that annoying gap between your car seats? You're not alone. Today we're checking out 5 of the coolest car gadgets on Amazon that can instantly upgrade your ride. Check the links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start with something simple but surprisingly useful. The leather car seat gap filler organizer solves one of the most annoying problems every driver faces. The mysterious seat gap black hole. You know, the one where your phone, coins, or keys disappear mid-drive. This clever 2-pack slides right between your seat and center console, instantly blocking that gap while adding extra storage space. It's made from waterproof leather with durable stitching, so it looks clean and premium inside the car. It even has small openings to keep charging cables organized. Best part? It fits most vehicles without affecting seat movement or seat belts. Now imagine jumping into your car on a hot summer day and your seat actually feels cool. That's exactly what the Paffinery ventilated cooling car seat cover delivers. Built with 8 powerful turbofans, this cover starts pushing cool air through the breathable mesh in about 5 seconds. You can choose between 3 cooling levels depending on how hot the day is, but it doesn't stop there. It also includes a 5-mode vibration function designed to ease lower back pressure during long drives. With premium leather, a non-slip base, and a universal fit for most cars and SUVs, it instantly makes daily driving way more comfortable. Next up is a gadget that adds serious tech to your car without a complicated install. The Xiaomi's K17 Pro Mirror Dashcam replaces your standard rearview mirror with a large 1.2-inch touchscreen display. It records both the front and rear of your vehicle in sharp 2.5K resolution, so if anything happens on the road, you'll have clear footage. It even supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, letting you access navigation, calls, and music directly from the mirror. With voice control, GPS tracking, loop recording, and an included 64 GB card, it basically turns your mirror into a smart driving hub. If you've ever had a mysterious warning light pop up on your dashboard, this next gadget could save you a lot of stress. The Ansel DS500BT bidirectional scan tool is like having a professional mechanic's diagnostic system in your hands. It connects wirelessly to your vehicle and runs full system diagnostics to identify issues quickly. With more than 3,000 active tests and over 28 service functions, it can help with things like oil resets, injector coating, and DPF regeneration. It works with over 100,000 vehicles from 1,996 onward, and the best part is it comes with lifetime software updates and no subscription fees. Finally, here's a gadget that fixes one of the most common problems in modern cars: running out of charging ports. This cigarette lighter splitter with retractable car charger turns a single power outlet into a full charging station. It features a 45W retractable USB-C cable that extends over 2 feet, along with multiple USB and fast-charging PD ports. You even get 2 additional cigarette lighter sockets for powering extra accessories. The built-in LED display shows your car's battery voltage in real time, helping you keep an eye on battery health. It fits neatly in most cup holders, keeping everything organized and easy to reach. And those were 5 of the coolest car gadgets you can find on Amazon right now. If you want to check any of them out, the links are waiting in the description below. Thanks for watching.